First basic thing is to check the level of the engine. The level of the engine oil can be done using this dipstick. The first thing is to ensure that your vehicle runs for 5 minutes so that the oil can circulate. This is how you check the level of your engine oil using the dipstick. The dipstick has two marks. Here is the lower mark, this is the upper mark. Engine level, which is below this level or at this level, is a very bad indication. It indicates that your engine has insufficient engine oil. It should be around 3/4 or to this level of the fluid, and this is how you check it. Just insert slowly the dipstick, then you remove it, and as you can see, the oil level is at the upper level, which is a good indication that the fluid level is okay. Second thing you check is the automatic transmission fluid, and note that the ATF and the engine oil are two different things. This is how you check the ATF. ATF has also a dipstick which is attached to the cap. When the engine is cold, the level should be at this. But when the engine has been running, the level should be at this level, hot. You have to insert it into the reservoir, ensure that you lock it tightly, then remove it and check the level. Now, for example, the engine has been running. That's the reason why you can see it at the upper part of the hot side. Another thing to check is also the battery. The battery is equally very important because most of the people omit checking the battery. And green color here indicates that it is well charged. But if you note a different color, maybe red or any other color other than green, this battery, the charging system of the vehicle is not okay, it's not effective. Another important fluid level to check is the brake fluid. The brake fluid is right after the brake booster. This is what we call the brake booster. This is the brake master cylinder, and then the brake fluid reservoir, and then the ABS. The brake fluid level should be at the level of the maximum, but not more than, and shouldn't be below minimum. We also have to check on the level of the coolant. This is where you check the coolant level. This is what we call the radiator cap. Ensure that your vehicle is not hot when opening this cap. If you open this cap when the water is hot, you are likely to injure yourself because the sudden emission of hot fluids will gush into your face or your hands, and you are likely to get burnt. In this case, because this engine was running, I may not open it right away, but you should open this and ensure that there is water level at this side. And also this, you can also check by checking, this is what we call the expansion tank. This is the windscreen washer. This is where we get the water for washing the windscreen. Here, the group, you should ensure that the water is sufficient. We have some groups here, ensure that the water is sufficient.